Reason you should choose Car Accessories Vacuum Cleaner Small Handheld Portable Mini High Power Ineterior Detailing, VC360 Blue Color. Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Car Accessories Vacuum Cleaner Small Handheld Portable Mini High Power Ineterior Detailing, VC360 Blue Color. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. With 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet, power cord, you can clean anywhere in your car, perfect for SUVs car and other. Note, please cool the motor down after 20 minutes usage to prevent vacuum from burning out. Please wash the filter and container in time to extend using life. The HEPA filter is removable, washable, and reusable. This vacuum uses larger motor than other portable vacuums in the market, so it can provide stronger suction. Attached with several different cleaner attachments, the brush is to vacuum hair and wool fabric, the soft long tube and the straight long mouth is to vacuum deep garbage. One-step fingertip on-off to empty dirts in the container, simple and easy to use. The vacuum starts to work after the cigarette lighter was plugged into DC 12-volt cigarette lighter sockets and the switch is on. With a super 5000 PA power, the vacuum cleaner to absorb garbage like pet hair, wool fabric shells, cigarette ash, leaves, crumbs and other small things in car. Compact, portable, simple is what NOOX pursued in designing this vacuum cleaner. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.